On November 21st, a trader turned $21,000 into $500,000. A trader sold Hawaiian Air, ticker symbol HA, $3 puts for premium, and just 3 days later, traders opened $6 calls, 18% out of the money for January 2024. New volume, where the chain only got 11 volume before. Merger was announced on December 3rd. A 2,185% gain in 10 days. On December 15th, DocuSign received 11,000 in new volume on 0 DTE 57 calls expiring the same day at 10 to 10:30 a.m. Hours later, news of DocuSign exploring a sale, and then the stock jumped 12%, turning 30K into $1 million. The out-of-the-money calls went 0.2 to 755, which is a 3,600% return. Wait, stay with me here. IMGN $21 calls, 5,700 of them, turning $500,000 to $3.5 million in the same exact day, under 24 hours. The chain gets literally zero volume. AbbVie announced a buyout of ticker symbol IMGN, and IMGN rallied 82%. What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Now, this is obvious that most of these are insider trades, if not all of these being insider trades. And we have a trade that I want to cover when we get into GameStop on somebody making a boatload of money on a trade for GameStop, and we also have a little bit of hopium coming into the new year. But the reason I wanted to start the video off with this is because this year is going to be our year, and I want to note that. I'm going to put up some gains that we took in Discord this year, nowhere near the gains on this table because, of course, we didn't have insider trading, but I want to let you know that this year we are going to be making some serious gains on the channel, on the YouTube channel, for the YouTube family, also for the Discord family, and we are going to grow substantially. We are going for massive gains this year, and it might sound like a lot of work, but it's just a click of some buttons and using our brains, and that is what we're going to do. Now, I want to prep you for the year, as well as the week to come, a year-long way to boost stock market returns. Before we get into the video, guys, all I ask, of course, is please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Both of those help me out. They're free. Turn post notifications on, and let me know in the comments down below. Did you end up getting anything for Christmas? What did you get? Merry Christmas, guys. So what is a year-long way to boost stock market returns? What are year-end adjustments and positioning for these big institutions, these big funds? Because essentially, this is who we have to follow. This is who we have to pay attention to, who are making these large trades and shifting around their portfolio. Year-end adjustments and positioning might mean that these institutions, these funds, are selling underperforming stocks or rebalancing their portfolios to enhance their year-end performance reports. These adjustments can lead to price movements in certain stocks or sectors, of course, otherwise known as tax loss harvesting, something that has come up across the board, and we need to talk about it. If you don't know what it is, tax loss harvesting is a strategy investors can use to reduce capital gains owed from selling profitable investments. A tax loss harvesting strategy involves selling an asset or security at a net loss, and then using the proceeds from a sale to purchase a similar asset and maintain their portfolio balance. Now, it can't be the same asset, that would just be a wash sale, but purchasing a similar asset. Now, pay attention here. Big institutions, big investors, tax loss harvesting are going to pull money out of non-profitable investments, aka losses, and put them into similar assets that are doing well. Do you guys remember hedge funds overcrowding trades? What trades were they overcrowding? They were overcrowding the Magnificent Seven going long. Amazon, Nvidia, Google, Apple, Tesla, Meta, Microsoft, selling assets and then purchasing them of like kind, rebalancing their portfolio, getting out of losses, which could mean more of a decline in stocks that already declined this year, and then more of an incline in stocks that already inclined this year, such as the S&P 500 as well as the Magnificent Seven. This could mean you might see a pump in all of these stocks once again, as well as the SPY. But there is a flip side to this. Systematic fund managers, particularly those which had short bets on highly traded stock names, got caught trying to get out of crowded trades and found themselves stuck in losing positions. Hedge funds aren't just stuck overcrowding these long trades, these blue chip stocks. They are overcrowding stocks like GameStop, like AMC, these meme stocks. They are all jumping in short positions, getting overcrowded, and hedge funds have lost about $200 billion so far in 2023. Getting out of losing positions is tax loss harvesting. That means also losing positions such as short positions. How do you exit a short position? You go long. You have to cover. You have to buy that share back and hand it back to the broker. Hand it back to the person that you borrowed it from, right? A rise in the SPY a rise in meme stocks, a rise in the Magnificent Seven. This is where you're going to see the Santa Claus rally come into full effect, and you need to take a look at GameStop, AMC, as well as plenty of other shorted plays because hedge funds are down a lot. Short positions are deep. And who is going to start tax loss harvesting first? Who is going to start the domino effect is the question. Now, I touched on this at the beginning of the video. A trader that turned 70K into 1.28 million in 2 days trading GameStop. This isn't amid the 2021 rally. This just happened. A trader placed GameStop $20 calls for December 8th, 2023, and the whale did around 70K, filed at 11 cents. They exited for an average of $1.71 for around 1.28 million and got a 1,400% return. So YOLO traders are jumping back into GameStop. And just for a little bit of Christmas hopium, take a look at GameStop's chart from back on December 22nd of 2020 at $16.20 compared to where we are trading at right now, getting that same stair-stepping effect, getting YOLO traders to jump back into these calls, into these YOLO trades. If it happens, it happens. I'm not saying it happens, but here's a little bit of hopium to start off the new year. I am still, of course, if you've been keeping up with the channel, holding my long AMC and GameStop positions. I will never sell those until we actually squeeze. Now, I want to touch on two things that I am guaranteed holding throughout 2024 or most of 2024, and I am 99% confident in. There are stock picks out there where I am semi-confident in, and I will cut the losses, yada, yada, yada. These two, I am confident. This is where I'm parking my money, and then the rest of it will go to trades, profitable trades. Get in the Discord if you want to join these profitable trades, as well as know my positions as soon as I take them. The link is right under the video and pinned in the top of comments. Guys, get in there. There's no reason not to. It's a coffee a month. We post gains, post losses. We have stock trading alerts in there. And overall, we talk stocks and crypto day in and day out. And overall, best people in there, best vibes. Whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, this is the place to go. Also, before the year is done, if you guys want up to 15 free stocks, who knows how long this will last. Each of these stocks are valued up to $2 grand per stock. And then once you sign up, make a deposit, and start earning free stocks, you're earning 5.1% on your cash that is uninvested. So use my link at the top of the description or pinned in the top of comments to sign up for Moomoo and make a deposit. You're also getting free level 2 order book data so you can see where whales are loading up and dropping off shares, access to trading options, going long, going short, and more. If you're semi-new to the market, the new year is about to start. Come follow the channel, be a subscriber, and let's talk about what I am holding through the new year. The 3 times leveraged 20-year treasury, ticker symbol TMF, holding throughout the rate cuts that are coming for the new year. Fed is expected to cut rates at least 3 times, 3 to 6 times now being priced in, and TMF is going to do extremely well. I'm solid on this play. I am profitable on this play as of right now and will continue to hold this play. Bitcoin. This is the safest thing in my opinion coming into the new year. We have the ETFs about to be approved in January as well as the halving at some point this year. Bitcoin, I'm parking my money and will continue to park my money, add more, and hold throughout the new year. These are the 2 things that I am mainly confident in. Everything else I can't tell you for 99% sure, but there are some stock picks that I will be coming out with soon. You guys let me know if you are purchasing both of these. And the last question I have for you is Solana pumped from 20 to 120, AVAX from 10 to 50, INJ from 8 to 45. Which is next to pump? Let me know the ticker in the comments down below. Overall, guys, hopefully you enjoyed your weekend. Hopefully you enjoyed your Christmas. Let's get ready for the new year. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.